Hello, Victor. How are you all? It's today I wanted to talk to you about safety and the correct way to work with a type of saw. Bye. As you saw, the first thing I did before I started talking to you was to unplug it from the electrical outlet. Why? Because accidents happen. If it's take out a blade, change a blade, unplug it. If it stops working, unplug it. This can prevent accidents. Some common mistakes that I see in beginners with certain types of work are usually in supporting the tool, not supporting the tool properly, working with the tool high and the tool low. Few pieces match, so this is a common mistake. And the other common mistake I see is the grip. The person holds the tool here, look. That way, he uses the index finger for the trigger. Then, with that later, I can't follow a straight line. I can't follow a design. Because here we are too far from the direction. So, the correct way to hold it is here. You will activate your machine either with these two fingers here or with these three. That will depend a little on the grip. I sometimes activate it with these two and rest this one here behind. Look, with the index finger here in front. With that, what happens? Look how my hand is. My hand is very close to the axis of the tool, where the blade is. It's easier for me to follow the drawing. And once the piece is well supported, I can, with this grip here, work correctly. Correct? In addition to this, you can use one of your hands here in front. Falling here or here, I don't like very much, but you can. Because your hand is far from the blade, or here. Here inside, you confirm that you can. With this hand here, direct your zero a little more, okay? So, these are some considerations in this sense. There is in relation to the use of the pendulum very action. Common in saws. Nowadays, it is even simpler. This pendular action, it works for aggressive cuts. But when you're doing some modeling, you have to remove this pendular action. Here it is only for the color that I turn it off. Because it causes movements in the saw. Another thing is regarding the correct choice of blade. This is a blade that is for wood, solid for aggressive bodies. It will really do some damage. This one here is already a blade for modeling wood. Just like there are blades for steel and everything else. I'll put some blades in the images for you there in the corner. Oh, well, some images of blades for you. Okay, so that's it. So it's a question of grip. And a question of control, too. Learning to control the trigger. Never work with a tool's full speed. I'm going to turn mine on here. So, faith is mine. Look what I'm doing. Okay. I can work. So, it's a matter of learning to control that speed. Never work at full speed unless it's a really aggressive cut. You don't need the party. So those are some tricks. Another thing is this. Plastic piece that comes. If you are cutting a piece that has a melamine MDF finish, or a poisoned or painted piece, do not use it because you will not be able to buy another one of these easily. Only reserve it for the moment when it really needs to be worked directly with the saw base. Thank you. Much better. Remember to use protective equipment, PPE, eye protection. Another thing is that I use a support time like this one here. Mine is very finished, very destroyed. It's even burned. Or a support like this, so that I can always have the piece well supported in a comfortable position. I can handle the piece I'm cutting here when it's a small piece in this case, right? I'm modeling the piece here. And this here, another important detail is when you stop cutting. Wait for the machine to stop completely before removing the thread. The machine from the location, in addition to being at risk, can damage your equipment. Because if the blade hits you here on the piece, it can damage the gears inside. So that's it, guys. This is an extra tip for you on equipment maintenance. Okay, so guys, that's it. To everyone, and if you have anything, you can ask me. I'm at your disposal. See you!